Your website is up and running. You're getting some traffic to it. You've published it. You've got all your content in place. Now you want to make some money from your website. 6 ways to monetize your website coming up. Before we start and highlight the 6 ways to make money with your website, here's a disclaimer. Some of these ways may bring more money than others. Maybe very little, maybe a lot. It depends on your knowledge, your skill, and your dedication to produce results. So results may vary. Way number 1, and no doubt you've heard of it, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you advertise other people's products and get paid a commission. So you sign up to some affiliate network and you get a referral link specific to you, which tracks your sales and your leads. And when you make that sale, you get paid. So there is a right and wrong way to put your links in front of potential customers. And many people are doing this wrong. No doubt you have received a spammy looking link from someone stating to buy this, buy that. So check out some of my other videos on the proper way to do affiliate marketing. Number 2, sell your own products. Many people might think that is a daunting task, but it's very doable. It does take some time. It does take some effort, but you can create a course. Look into PLR products if you're not really keen on writing and copywriting and creating your own course or digital product, if you may, or even physical product you can sell on your website. You can create a checkout or even an e-commerce store and put it on your website. You can go to places like Shopify, Builderall, Etsy, Amazon, eBay, many different platforms where you can sell your digital or even physical products. Number 3, CPA marketing or CPA offers. You get paid when a visitor to a link completes a specific action. A nice place is Max Bounty, as well as CJ.com. It used to be known Commission Junction. Now they just go by CJ.com. They have many different CPA or cost per action affiliate offers that you can entertain. The cost per action would be that company would want you to get ones to enter their email or their zip code or their phone number, etc., whatever they require. And then you would get a cost. Generally, it's a smaller commission, but these smaller commissions people kind of look down on, but they add up quite a bit if you're able to get 100 of these a day or 200 of these a day. It really adds up. So CPA marketing is another nice way to monetize your website. Number 4, Google Adsense on your website. When visitors click on an ad, you get paid. Visit some of the most popular blogs out there and websites out there. No doubt you will see Google Adsense on it. And when it comes to Google Adsense, the sign up is very, very easy. You have to have a Google account or a Gmail account, and they'll walk you through signing up for Google AdSense. And you place these ads, these links, sometimes even HTML codes onto your website and start to generate some revenue that way as well. Google AdSense, number 4. Number 5, you can sell advertising on your website. This is selling space to companies on your website. Also, the special note right here is that considerable traffic, you have to have that before advertisers really come knocking at your door and are willing to pay you a nice handsome fee for advertising on your website. In some cases, thousands, if not 50, 100,000 visitors or more will get companies, attention. I knew a gentleman who had a eBay blog about how to sell on eBay, what he sold on eBay. And after a while, he got a lot of visitors and a lot of traffic to his site. So Pallet Bid, which is an overstock a company, they deal in returns, overstock, Amazon returns, and those types of things. They pay him very handsomely to put their advertisement on his website, and he agreed to it. So there's different ways of monetizing your site. Number 5, you can sell advertising on your website. Number 6, you can sell coaching. As you grow in knowledge, you can sell your services. And it's great if you already have a captive audience on your blog or your YouTube channel. You can offer your services for a fee. And there's many platforms that will allow you to host your course. You can sell your coaching on if you design websites, if you're a fitness coach, or if you have a cooking channel or cooking website. You can create lessons on how to create this dish, that dish. And if you're a dog trainer, or if you specify in gaming or some specific game, you can sell techniques and tips in regard to that. So let's just jump up here and just give you an idea. We talked about the different offers and the 6 ways you can monetize. But briefly, I just want to show you when it comes to CPA offers that we mentioned earlier, Max Bounty is another place where you could sign up for and become an affiliate right here. Go to the affiliates page and sign up. I will say with Max Bounty, because I have signed up with them, they vet you a little bit and you go through a process, but it does take a little bit of time. After a while, if you qualify, you will become an affiliate for Max Bounty, and you'll be able to make and have offers that you can put on your website and perhaps make a commission off of. We mentioned online courses earlier. Just to give you a visual, Udemy is a place where you can create and as well as you can learn about specific topics and courses. But you see up here, you could teach on Udemy, and you could create courses similar to these if this is in your niche or your market. Many people are learning about writing, how to write, or they're trying to master digital marketing itself, or they're learning new machine learning, AI, artificial intelligence, and they're doing their research and they're creating courses. Some of these courses they're offering for free. Some of them are very low in cost. Some of them, as I know, are up in the hundreds or even thousands of dollars that they offer. So here are just a couple ideas to get you on your way to monetizing that website, to generating some cash flow. Then there's many different opportunities, and no doubt these 6 that I mentioned are not the only ways that you can monetize your website, but this is a good place for you to get started. So if you like a wonderful tool to help you grow your YouTube channel, check out Tubebuddy. Tubebuddy will help you to grow your channel, to research topics, research keywords, create thumbnails. It's a great tool, and I really like it. And it's one tool that I use myself. Another tool that I use is Builderall. It's an all-in-one platform for creating websites, sales funnels, professional emails, email marketing, email sequences, app creation. You could also create courses inside of Builderall as well. So hopefully this video was able to assist you and help you on generating some income for your website or YouTube channel. So take care, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.